thank you all very much for joining. Fresh off of the Sigma Oasis release just the other night. The song is super awesome and wanted to get it out there as quickly as I could. So we'll go over the riff, strumming pattern, rhythm, all that good stuff. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Alright, so Sigma Oasis starts off with this awesome little D riff here. Awesome. That is the main theme for the song. Once you get that down, you've got 85% of the song down. So we start with our D chord here. So I'm doing a down strum, kind of a muted upstroke, and then down again. So again, doing a downstroke, somewhat of a muted upstroke, and down again. Alright, so that riff there. So we're starting on the A string, open, you're going to hammer on, so you're going to hammer on to the second fret, sorry. So open A, hammer on to the second, open on the D, you're going to hammer on to the second, the third, pull off, open, back to the second fret of the A, open. One thing to, as you work on that, is it'll take a little bit to get the speed down, but one thing to keep in mind, so on the A string, I'm doing a downstroke when I do that hammer on. When I come to this D string, in order to get that timing right, you want to do an upstroke. So you do that riff 3 times. And you go into a C, to a G. And so I have the lyrics up with the riff where it goes and then where the chords go. It really helps to learn it that way, at least for me it does. So you'll do that. So you do that for the whole first verse. Then there's a little, I guess you can call it a little interlude after that first verse, where it's a D, and a C, G, and D, and it goes back into so that's your main the main part of the song, the entire way. Then for the chorus, so the take off your mask. The fear is an illusion, so don't even ask. You finally weightless, so take to the air. Sigma Oasis, you're already there. So for that we've got our F sharp minor, which is a great chord. So take off. So it's just a downstroke. So downstroke, little muted up and down, G. To your D, sorry. To E minor. Then you've got a D to your C. So you got the in there, so you've got the Sigma Oasis. So we're playing our D the same way, where we've got the downstroke muted up, down again. And you've got a C, G. So it's just a one downstroke C, G. So after the second time you play through the chorus, there is a little, I guess you would call it a bridge, I don't know, where it goes to an A. And you're doing the same riff, but now you're using the low E and the A string. So, sorry. And from there, that A goes to a G, D. So it's very similar to the main riff, but instead you're doing an A chord. And again, you're starting on your low E string, so we're doing that open, hammer onto that E there. So exact same thing, you're just string up basically. You go to your G to D from that one. Then there's another interlude after that. Same one, just the D, C, G, D. And then you go back to your riff. That is Sigma Oasis, guys. Brand new, at least brand new studio. I think they've played it a couple times live. Anyway, really great song. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you all again real soon.